What if I told you there was a way you could play Pound USD for the remainder of the year? Let me walk you through this real quick. We have a bearish cipher forming right now on the monthly time frame chart. Okay? Here's the cipher. We know a bearish cipher is going to hit somewhere around the 382 or the 618. It's going to drop down to the 1.13 or the 1.1618, somewhere around there. It's going to go up to the 786 extension. Let's move this. Let's go down now to the weekly. So in the weekly, we know we know from the monthly, for one, that we're in the bullish sequence now. The C to D leg to complete this bearish pattern, which is, as we said, a bearish cipher. So we go down to the weekly, we plot out the bullish movement. So let's do that. We want to plot out this wave. Now, we all know that the Fibonacci expansion tool will always bring us back to the 50, but let's see where price really came and pulled back to. Price pulled back to just around the 50, but actually just a little bit below, kind of making a plot towards the 618, but it got rejected. Alright, so we know right now that price is going to be headed to our 100 level. Why? Because that's where price is likely headed towards, just based off of price action. So let's go ahead and just draw that out for you so you can know where we're looking to see price headed, and I'll make it look like an arrow so that way it's clearly visible and it's blue, giving you indication too that I'm signaling a buy here. So to the 100 level. I'm saying that once it hits here, and based off of this 100 level, if I bring out my crosshair, what is to the left of the crosshair from this area? What's left of this? This whole area right here, right? So it's giving you a good indication that once price hits this area again, it's likely to take a breath, aka a pause, and retrace. Most likely only giving you a retrace to the 618 because why? Go back to the monthly. We're in an upward motion here, okay? To complete this pattern. So that's why right now on your monthly time frame chart, you're seeing a bearish pattern form and on its way to completion, and it's on the bullish leg right now to complete, and here is your level of play right now. So right now you're looking for buys. We know that it's a full origin, and I'll map that out right now. Here's your origin. Here is your point 1. And here is your point 2. We know that we have a full origin, we have a full origin point 1 and point 2 based off of the fact that we have completed this Fibonacci retracement of the move up and where it has stopped and paused to per the weekly. Mind you, this is the weekly, so let's just zoom in here. We see these candlesticks here that's happening, right? This is around the 50, the 618, aka price has not taken out the 618. Price has also not taken out this origin. So a big indication that we're headed right now in a bullish territory, which coincides very well for us because it goes along with this pattern. To complete the end of this pattern, we have to be on a bullish rise right now in order for this pattern to complete and then for it to go bear, because this is a bearish pattern. If you were to pull out your trend line, this is what I'm saying price is looking to do, and I'll just make this a different color so it's opposite of the arrow. But that's what I'm saying right now. This is a bearish market on the monthly time frame chart, but in order for it to continue to be bearish right now, we need this pattern to complete because this just is the way price moves. So this is where you have your sailor. who plots out where price is going to. And then your weekly right now is where you have your surfer who is telling you which right now the next wave and how to ride the next wave. You want to ride the next wave up and not the next wave down. So for the rest of the year, be looking to buy pound USD